Prima or Perumahan Rakyat Satu Malaysia was established by the Malaysian government to address the housing challenges faced by the middle income group, also known as the M40. Its mission is to plan, develop, and provide affordable and high quality homes inspired by modern living concepts for middle income Malaysians. The first objective of Prima is to plan integrated housing developments that improve the quality of life for homeowners. Second, to deliver comfortable, modern homes that meet current lifestyle needs. And third, to ensure these homes are priced within reach of the middle income group, especially in urban areas where housing costs are typically much higher. Residency Bandar Ikral, located in Rantau Negeri Sembilan. This development consists of 766 units of 1.5 and 2-story terrace homes, priced between 165,000 and 224,000. Its strategic location near the Seremban Port Dickson Expressway makes it more accessible for commuting residents. The first stage is pre-construction phase. Pre-construction phase is about the preliminary planning and engineering services that the construction company implements before construction begins. Architects will begin by designing the homes and the overall site layout that they will take into consideration about the number of units, land use spacing, and placement of community facilities. For Prima Cooperation, as the developer, they will oversee the overall project planning and coordinate with all technical teams. For engineers, structural, civil mechanical, and electrical engineers, they will collaborate to ensure that the building systems are efficient, safe, and compliant with national standards. CIDB plays an oversight role by ensuring that construction standards and safety codes are being planned from the start, including sustainability practices such as using IBS system. And lastly, quantity surveyors. They will estimate project costs, manage budgets, and ensure financial feasibility. Construction phase is about physical construction of the project takes place. All design plans are turned into a built reality requiring strict quality control and coordination. Site engineers will ensure that all construction follows the approved design and safety regulation. Main contractors are responsible for managing the entire on-site construction process and will coordinate the schedule, workforce, and logistics. Project managers will oversee the progress, resolve on-site issues, and keep all teams aligned with deadline and budget. Subcontractors will handle specialized tasks such as plumbing, electrical wiring, roofing, and interior finishing. And last, suppliers. They will provide the building materials and equipment necessary for each stage of the build. Post-construction phase is the span of time between the end of the physical construction and when the project is turned over to the project owner. Lawyers and Prima's sale and legal teams will handle the legal transfer of property ownership and finalize the necessary documentation with home buyers. Facility management companies will be appointed to manage maintenance, cleanliness, and repairs in shared areas like parks or halls. Local authorities or pihak berkuasa tempatan (PBT) will issue the Certificate of Completion and Compliance (CCC) to ensure that the building meets safety and structural standards before occupancy. There are four strengths of Prima. Firstly, targeted for middle income group M40. One of Prima's biggest strengths is its clear target audience, which is Malaysians, people that their earning is between 2,500 and 15,000 per month. Some people say that middle income group is not qualified for low cost housing, but not every of them can afford private housing in urban sectors. Prima fills this critical gap by offering homes that meet their financial capacity without compromising on quality or modern living standards. Unlike some housing developments that focus only on physical structures, Prima emphasizes community buildings. Their projects often include key facilities such as schools, prayer halls, kindergarten, parks, and community halls. These amenities create a more livable, family-friendly environment that supports daily needs and encourages community interaction. Primar's impact isn't limited to just major cities. Their projects are implemented nationwide, covering multiple states and both urban and semi-urban areas. This broad reach ensures that Malaysians across the country, whether in Johor, Negeri Sembilan, Selangor, or other regions, can benefit from affordable housing options close to where they live and work. Prima homes are strategically priced, ranging between 100,000 and 400,000 ringgit, which is below typical market rates, especially in cities. This makes it possible for middle-income earners to own property in areas where private housing prices might otherwise be out of reach. For weaknesses of Prima, first, limited integration with public transport. One of the most commonly reported issues is the lack of proper connectivity to public transportation. Many Prima projects are located in suburban, where buses, trains, or other public transport options are not easily available. It is inconvenience for many middle and low income earners who rely on affordable transit and can limit access to jobs and essential services. Several Prima projects, including Residency Bandar Eka, have experienced construction delays or were temporarily abandoned due to contractor or financially problems. These delays not only frustrate buyers who are waiting to move in but also raise concern about the project management and oversight. Although Prima is focused on the M40, there is growing criticism that it excludes the B40 group, which includes Malaysian earning below 2,500 per month. Even the lowest price of Prima homes are still too expensive for many in this group, and as a result, the most vulnerable segment of the population is left with fewer housing options. Many Prima units follow the standardized design. All the houses are uniformly the same. While this helps keep costs low, it often fails to consider local culture, climates, or family structures. Lastly, Prima has faced critical observation for governance weakness, such as inefficient processes, poor contractor selection, and lack of proper monitoring. What is CIDB? CIDB, short for Construction Industry Development Board, is a statutory body established under the Construction Industry Development Board Act 1994, Act 520. CIDB's role in designing affordable housing. First, setting design and construction standards. CIDB publishes the Malaysian Standard MS and Construction Industry Standards CIS. These cover building materials, structural safety, and environmental sustainability. Second, registering and accrediting contractors. Only CIDB registered contractors are allowed to carry out construction work on Prima projects. Ensure contractors are qualified and meet the minimum quality and safety requirements. Third, monitoring quality and compliance. Approved materials are used. Building methods follow national safety codes. Helps reduce defects and ensures long-term durability of houses. Lastly, promoting sustainable and efficient building methods. Encourages the use of industrialized building system IBS and green materials to reduce construction time and cost, improve build quality, and minimize environmental impact. There are three reasons for choosing the right materials. First one, durability and longevity. High quality materials like precast concrete and IBS components ensure homes last 20 to 30 years or more with minimal maintenance. Second, affordability in the long term. Although some materials may have a higher upfront cost, they significantly reduce long-term expenses like repairs and energy use. Third, energy efficiency and comfort. Materials that insulate heat, manage humidity, and reduce noise improve indoor living conditions. They lower electricity bills and create a cooler, healthier, and quieter home environment. Practical ways to help young Malaysians get affordable housing. First, expand rent-to-own RTO housing schemes. Rent to own allows young people to start as tenants and gradually become homeowners. It's ideal for those without large savings for a down payment. Second, flexible loan schemes for first-time buyers. Banks and the government can offer youth-friendly loans with lower monthly payments, step-up repayments option, or special rates for first-time buyers. Third, control housing prices in urban zones. Building affordable homes on state-owned land reduces development costs. At the same time, setting price cap in high-demand urban zones prevent housing from become unaffordable due to speculation or rising land values. Lastly, encourage co-living and use housing co-ops. Developing co-living spaces or use housing cooperative offers affordable alternative, especially in urban areas. These models reduce costs through shared spaces and allow young adults to live independently without high financial pressure. In conclusion, Prima has made significant strides in addressing housing affordability for Malaysians' middle-income group. Through well-planned developments, government support and sustainability-focused construction, it has provided thousands of families with access to quality housing. With continued improvement and better governance, Prima can serve as a cornerstone for inclusive and sustainable urban development in Malaysia.